Should you use ClickUp as your CRM? Depending on who you ask, you can use ClickUp as a CRM and you can have your CRM and your task management in one place. Sounds great, right? But there's a few gotchas that you might want to know about before you jump in. I'm Karonda Adair, Certified Automation Service Provider and founder of Carvel Digital. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the differences between ClickUp as a CRM and a dedicated CRM tool so that you can make the right choice for your business. Let's start with the definition. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it is a foundational tool for managing your relationships at scale. It allows you to store and organize your lead and customer data, track interactions, and keep all the important details about your contacts in one central place. I go into way more detail about this in this video about the differences between your CRM, email marketing, and marketing automation. I'll leave that link in the description below. Before we go any further, I want to draw attention to something that a lot of people skip over when they're choosing software for their business. And that is the difference between something that a tool is actually made for and meant to do, and something that it's possible to do with that tool, even though it wasn't originally built for that. When I had my first job as a developer, we used two different content management systems to build websites. We used WordPress, which is a really popular CMS that's widely known, and we used Drupal, which is less widely known but enterprise CMS. And my boss used to always say that WordPress was kind of like a mid-level Honda, and Drupal was like a box of car parts. When it comes to functioning as a CRM, ClickUp is like a box of car parts. Like a lot of software companies, they've added more and more features over time, and it's easy to see why people would think it can be used as a CRM because there's a whole page on their website dedicated to how to use it this way. Where things fall apart for me is when it's time to do real marketing and sales automation. It's up to you or someone on your team to completely configure how you set up ClickUp as your CRM. And that means how you store the data, how you integrate with other tools, how you recall that data. And if you don't know what you're doing, it can become a mess. I've had clients who store all of their data inside of the description inside of a task in ClickUp, and that means there's no separation of data, and it's really hard to be able to use that data in meaningful ways, and it's impossible to automate with that storage system. Do you use a CRM in your business, and which tool do you use? Let me know in the comments. A dedicated CRM should allow you to do contact management, pipeline tracking, and sales forecasting. Now, you can probably do all these things in ClickUp, but you're going to do it manually and you're not going to be able to automate as much as you could with a dedicated CRM tool. A good dedicated CRM will allow you to connect to both your website and your email marketing service so that you can track which pages on your website your subscribers are visiting, and you can react to that automatically. We call that behavior-based marketing, and it's impossible to do if you have ClickUp as your CRM. Our favorite software for this is ActiveCampaign, and if you want to try it out, I'll put the link in the description so you can get a 14-day trial. ActiveCampaign includes both email marketing software and a dedicated CRM that you can use seamlessly together. So instead of putting together this entire system, you just decide what data it's important for you to collect, and you can create those custom fields for your contacts. You can use deals to create a pipeline of your sales process and use it to track where people are in their customer journey. And you can use the automation capabilities to react to behaviors that your prospects are taking inside your system and move them through the customer journey automatically. When we set this up for our clients, we can do things like track how many times someone has visited an important page on their website, like a sales page. And if they visit it a certain number of times, then we can trigger some kind of reaction. We can put that person into an automated sales sequence to give them more information, or we can notify one of the team members to follow up with that person personally. So while you can make a lead or a sales tracker in ClickUp, if you want to achieve true marketing automation and sales automation, then a dedicated CRM combined with an email marketing platform is definitely the way to go. So what do you think? Are you using a project management tool as your CRM, something like ClickUp or Monday or Asana? Or are you in favor of using a dedicated CRM software like ActiveCampaign or HubSpot? Let me know in the comments. Let's talk about it. If you like this video and you got some aha moments from it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you never miss a video. I'll see you next time.